बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खजूर, पंथी को छाया नहीं, फल लागे अति दूर. Meaning, it is of no use being very big or rich if you don't do any good to others. For example, a palm tree is so tall, however, it is of no use to a traveler because it provides no shade, and the fruit is also at the top. Thus, none can eat it easily. कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में, मांगे सबकी खैर, न काहू से दोस्ती न काहू से बैर. Meaning, one should always think well of everyone. There is no need to be over-friendly with anyone, nor should you be hostile to anyone. कहे कबीर कैसे निभाहे केर बेर को संग, वह झूमत रस आपनी उसके फाटत अगम. Meaning, people who are different cannot live together. If bananas and jujube trees are planted near each other, the jujube tree will swing in the air, whereas banana tree leaves will get torn by its thorns. तिनका कभू न निंदिए जो पांव तले होए, कबहू उड़ी आंखिन पड़े, पीर घनेरी होए. Meaning, you should not oppress the weak as you should not trample a speck. When that weak person counterattacks, it will be very painful. Just like a speck of dust in the eye can cause a lot of discomfort. साईं इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुंब समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं साधु न भूखा जाए. Meaning, Kabir requests the Almighty to give him only as much as required to feed his family. And if any guest comes, then he should be able to feed him too. It means you should only have what you need as there is no use in having too much. माटी कहे कुम्हार से, तू क्या रौंदे मोहे, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा मैं रौंदूंगी तोहे. Meaning, the soil tells the pot maker that you think you are kicking and kneading me with your feet, but there will be a day when you will be below me, buried after death, and I will need you. माला फेरत झुक भया, फिरा न मन का फेर, कर का मन का डार दे, मन का फेर. Meaning, this is sarcasm on people who are blind followers of a religion. Kabir says you spent your life turning the beads of the rosary, but could not turn your own heart. Leave the rosary and try to change the evil in your heart. गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागू पाइए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो मिलाए. Meaning, a teacher is even greater than God. Kabir quips that if the teacher and the God are both in front of him, who will he greet first? The teacher's teaching has made it possible for him to see the God. पाहन पूजे हरि मिले तो मैं पूजू पहाड़, घर की चाकी कोई ना पूजे, जाको पीस खाए संसार. Meaning, Kabir says people worship idols made from stone. If it was possible to reach the God this way, then he would worship the mountain. But no one worships the home flour mill, chakki, which gives us the flour to eat. अति का भला न बोलना, अति की भली न चूप, अति का भला न बरसना, अति की भली न धूप. Meaning, Kabir Das says that too much of anything is not good. One must exercise control and be moderate in everything. Too much talking is not good, and neither is too much quietness. Just like how too much rain is not good, nor is too much sunshine. कस्तूरी कुंडली बसे, मृग ढूंढे बन माही, ऐसे घटी घटी राम है दुनिया देखे नाही. Meaning, the musk is in the deer's umbilicus. The deer searches the forest. The same way God is omnipresent, the world does not see him. बुरा जो देखा न मैं चला, बुरा न मिलिया कोई, जो दिल खोजा आपना, मुझसे बुरा न कोई. Meaning, when I started to look for evil, I couldn't find any. When I started to look inside my heart, I found out that I am the evilest. चिंता ऐसी डाकिनी, काट कलेजा खाए, वैद बेचारा क्या करे, कहां तक दवा लगाए. Meaning, worry is such a thief that it eats one's heart. What can a doctor do? how far will his medicine reach? दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे न कोई, जो सुख में सुमिरन करे, तो दुख काहे को होए? Meaning, everyone remembers God, prays to Him, and chants hymns to Him in bad times, but no one remembers Him in good times. But if you will remember Him and pray to Him in good times as well, you will never ever face bad times in your life. कबीर गर्व न कीजिए, ऊंचा देखी आवास, काल परों भूई लेटना, ऊपर जम सी घास. Meaning, don't be so proud and be in vain of your achievements and fame. Don't look at the heights that you have achieved and be arrogant. Ultimately, tomorrow everyone has to die, and you will be lying under the ground where grass will grow on top. यो नैनों में पुतली, त्यों मालिक घट माही, मूरख लोग न जानही बाहिर ढूंढन जाही. Meaning, God lies within you, just as the pupil lies within your eyes. But these ignorant people don't know this and keep on searching for God everywhere outside. जब तू आया जगत में, लोग हंसे तू रोए, ऐसी करनी ना करी, पाछे हंसे सब कोए. Meaning, when we are born, everyone laughs, but we cry. Do good deeds in your lifetime. Don't do such work that they laugh behind you when you are gone. चलती चक्की देखकर दिया कबीरा रोए, दो पाटन के बीच में साबुत बचा न कोई. Meaning, Kabir cried watching the two grinding stones crushing the material inside. He says everything is ground and nothing remains complete in its original form. ऐसी वाणी बोलिए, मन का आपा खोए, औरन को शीतल करे, आपहु शीतल होए. Meaning, speak such words that you lose your mind, you just show peace and no other thing. कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. Meaning, whatever you need to do tomorrow, do it now. The time is lost in moments, and you will not recognize it. If the moment is gone, the work will remain undone forever.